I'm going to be hanging some curtains. It's a little bit different of a design, but beautiful curtains. You know, pretty easy if you have all the tools and equipment. So I gotta find the center. I'll measure it from corner to corner, divide it, and mark the center with a pencil. Now, having found the center, I'm going to measure it how low I want it, or how high I want the curtains. And then I'm gonna take this little measurement right here and then go down from that dot, and that would be the plate. So this is the final product. I measured, see that line right there? I measured from here, then I measured the space and I put the plate on that mark right there to where I couldn't see it eye level. And then I screwed it in. Now you put this on, you got the Allen key, tighten it up, and you got your curtain rod. So 2 done. I'm on this one, corner. So this right here, I like to measure 5 inches, the same as on the other corner. And then I measure 2 1/16 down, and then I measure that little piece, and that's where I put my cap at the center of the 5-inch mark that I put right here. Sure it's correct. So 5 inches, and then from the top, same as the other ones, 2 1/16, and then I go down 1 2 3/16, and then I mark it again. But I did it like this, like a dummy. But anywho, 5-inch mark at center, and then you just move up to this eye level, just cover it up, mark the holes. Now that everything's up, I kind of put this one in because they're in 3 pieces, the rods. So you put the first one in, put the second one in the hole, then slide it back into this, and then slide this up there enough so you can get that one in and not have to push this back and then push it up. Then I got screws that I'm gonna lock everything in place, and it's done. This is the final product. And for this little bit right here, you could put 1 of them loops or 2 of them loops on the other side so the curtain doesn't move, and you'll be able to maximize your darkness. But in this case, we didn't do that.